What's up, everybody? This is Sean right here, and I'm sorry I've been gone. I've been gone a little bit longer than I expected, but been really busy and distracted. But here's the update with Dallas Airbnb ban. I cannot say much because I've been sworn to secrecy. I have the inside intel, and I met with the lawyers that the people that are the group that is suing the Dallas for the Dallas Airbnb ban. I got to meet with them. I got to talk to the lawyers. I got to get all the details. But in return to getting that inside info, I'm kind of like a secret agent now. I can't actually share what they're going to do, what they're going to say, what they're going to use. But I will hint at the fact that if you are a longtime viewer of this channel and you've seen some very recent videos that I posted, I was listening to them like, wow, did you guys listen to my videos and come up with your own defense plan? Because that's like the exact thing I went over in my last couple of videos. But, I promised them I wouldn't say anything, but go back and watch those videos and you get a pretty good hint at what's about to happen. But the hurdle that we have to come up with is that they want to file an injunction, but before they do, they're going to have to get paid up front for at least the first part of their action. They're going to have to do what's called a retainer. And so we've all donated a lot of money. I'm surprised that they do not have enough, but I guess they need $30,000 to get this retainer, and somehow they don't have it, even though a lot of people I know have donated like over $1,000, and that's just like 10, 15 people. So how could there not be another 15 people? In the room that we were in, people were donating thousands and thousands of dollars. So that seems a little strange, but I do really like the people that are running this, the Dallas Short-Term Rental Alliance. They are really upstanding people. They seem to really have their stuff taken care of. They have the best interests in mind for everybody involved. They do suggest that people start paying their hotel occupancy taxes, because if there's anything that's going to happen out of this case, then it's going to be a grandfathered in right. And again, I don't like the way that sounds. I don't like the way that feels. The fact that you have to pay the people that are actually like giving money to the people that are telling us that they cannot enforce it because they don't have enough money. So therefore, the way that they can actually enforce it is by getting more money, and we're giving them money by giving them hotel occupancy taxes. That bothers me, but you have your own opinion to it. Do if you feel like it's necessary. The injunction, what it's supposed to do, what they're saying it's going to do, is not allow them to prosecute anybody or do any kind of legal standing against anybody that is doing something illegal while they're contesting the legalities of it. So in this case, if it's Dallas Airbnb, yeah, technically you shouldn't be doing it after December. But if there's an injunction about the legalities of if they should be doing it or not in December, then supposedly, yes, you're operating in an illegal sense, but at the same time, no one can do anything against you. At least that's the way it was explained. I don't recommend basing your entire fortune on this. I think that if you have some Airbnb properties, keep some if they're doing really well. The ones that aren't doing so well, but they couldn't sell, you just bought them last year, like the idea of selling them would actually lose you money, and turn it into a rental if you can make at least even or a little bit higher than even money. If you have it fully furnished rented, then at least you could charge an extra $250, $500 a month for rent, and then that will give you that extra money that you need to see profitable earnings on this property that you probably have a really high interest rate on, and you're depending on the Airbnb revenue to make it make sense. If you have a property that's been sitting for a while and has gathered hundreds of thousands of dollars of equity, then sell it. Like, we don't know what's about to happen in the real estate market. There might be a crash. Who knows? There might be a crash in our entire financial market. Who knows? But the fact of being cash heavy right now, if you know anybody's intelligent, a lot of people are going to tell you that being cash heavy right now is not a bad place to be. Again, that's not going to, I'm not a doom and gloom kind of guy on YouTube that's going to convince you, hey, the world's going to end and you better get ready and watch all my videos because I'll tell you a daily update of how it's going to end. I'm not here to shock you guys. It might or might not happen, I don't know. But getting a lot of cash and get ready to make a position, and whenever the opportunity happens, then that's a great position to be in. But with that being said, in the next video, I'm going to actually show you a walkthrough of Anthony Morrison, one of my first time on YouTube videos of me interviewing him way back in the day when he first bought the property, I think 2018 or something like that. He's now selling his duplex, and a lot of people are trying to house hack. So if anybody of you that watching this channel, if you guys are trying to get into house hacking, then this is a great opportunity for you to do it. He has a 2-bedroom, 1-bath on the bottom floor, and a completely separate floor, separate unit, separate metering, everything like that is on the top floor. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. And so that's a great opportunity for you to rent out to someone upstairs, for them to pay your mortgage, and for you to live downstairs. It is a hefty price at $650,000, but if you guys can make it happen, this is a great way to start your financial future. But if you can afford a $650,000 house, I guess you already have a good start to your financial future. But I digress. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you got something out of this, and make sure to like and comment, share below. Boom, boom, boom. See you in the next one. Bye.